To do an Estonian or Vikkel braid, you're going to want to use a smaller working needle than what you have been using. This is a US 6, and the one I'm working onto is a US 4. So the first thing I'm going to do is slip my last worked stitch onto my left needle, and then come around back and make a stitch through the back loop. And I don't want to get that first stitch involved. Now I'm going to come around to the front, and the needle is going to go through that first stitch, and I'm going to knit the first stitch. So that is one stitch of the braid, and I'm just going to keep doing that all the way around until I come to the end. Once I'm at the end, I will be joining the two sides of the braid to make it look like it's unbroken. I'm at the end of the braid, so I want to join my right side to the left side of the braid right across this area here. This is my chain stitch that's left on my right needle. So I'm going to take a crochet hook and insert underneath that very first chain stitch under both legs of the chain. And I want to come over to my right needle, and I'm going to grab that chain stitch on the end of my right needle. It's going to come off of my right needle, and I'm going to pull it up through that first chain stitch. And now I'm going to put it onto my left needle. So that is my last stitch of the braid round, and I'm going to knit that stitch. And here is the beginning of my round. I marked it before I started.